Bella here. So, let's start with her pulse. Grab a thermometer while I'm doing that. Okay. Using her femoral artery, I count her heartbeat, her pulse. Good girl, 36. So 72 is her pulse. Now I'm going to get her respiration. Good girl, Bella. Respiration was 64. Hang on, sweetie. Get your camera.
Well, that dog likes this.
Get your camera, sweetheart. Oh, I know.
Excuse me.
Okay, temps 100.4. And I'm just going to listen to her heart and lungs. Hang on, sweetheart.
No, the sooner we get to the back, the sooner you get done.
Heart sounds good, lungs sound good. Thank you.